Welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Alaska Airlines account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to search for Alaska Airlines login just like this. After you search for it, the first option where it says alaskaairlines.com, you want to click on it. Make sure it takes you to alaskaair.com. That's the official website for Alaska Airlines, alright? Wait for some time, and once the page loads up, where it says user ID, enter the user ID of your account. And where it says password, you need to enter the password of your account. And where it says sign in, click on it. Once you do that, if your user ID and password is correct, you should be able to log in into your Alaska Airlines account. And if you forgot your user ID or forgot your password, you can click on these two options to recover them as well. So that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.